Hello YouTube, it's me, Ethan. Today I'm going to try to sneeze with my eyes open, alright? So basically what I'm going to do is get some pepper and put it on my hand and then kind of snort it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Yep, I'm really unprepared. I can't even open the thing. Okay, so my hand right here. Pepper. There's like a lot right there. You hold your eyes open too. I think I failed there. I'm gonna try to do that again. Stupid hot tub always got to turn on. Well, I epically failed, guys. Oh my god, my nose is burning. Bye.